Hello everybody, I'm Johnny Ringo with Las Vegas Bus Sales, and what I've got behind me right here is one of the best looking used commercial buses that you're going to find available on the market. It is a 2009 Bluebird with a Cummins ISC and a 5-speed Allison transmission. Join me and let's take a look around it and I'll show you some of the features. First thing you're going to notice is the bright white paint. That's fresh white paint on this bus. I mean, you take a look down the side of this thing is clean white. All the metal is straight. We're not seeing any dings or anything. Front tires, excellent condition. And by the way, those are Goodyear tires all the way around on this bus. And you know what else? Come over here and take a look. Check out underneath. This is a rust-free bus, which is very appealing. If any of you are on the East Coast, you know. Hey, look back here, we got some more Goodyears. They're excellent condition, these Goodyears, all the way around, they're the same. Let's peek in the engine compartment. We're not seeing a lot of oil or anything, really clean in there. Come on around. Again, this side, the same story. Straight metal, clean white paint. Tires are in excellent condition. And let me tell you, if you were impressed with the outside, you ought to see the inside. Come on in, let's look. The first thing that I want to point out is this bus has only 83,000 miles. For 2009, that is just really low. Clean dash, no cracks. All your buttons work. Floors are in good shape. And I tell you what, I'm 6'2", and look at the headroom on this bus. This is a high headroom bus. And then check out these seats. Brand new upholstery. You've got armrests, you got reclining, which is a real nice feature. And if you take a look to the rear of the bus, you've got a large AC unit back there. Top mounted condensers. And then up at the front, you got another large one up here. I tell you what, in this hot desert heat in Las Vegas, this bus will keep you cool. You know what, thank you for taking a look at our 2009 Bluebird. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're interested, and if you are, we've got plenty of other highway coaches, and we've also got your large and mid-size and small shuttles, even a lineup of MFSAB buses. And I'm Johnny Ringo. Please visit us at LasVegasBusSales.com, or you can call us at 866-456-9804. Have a nice day.